Morning and welcome back to Home Renovation Experts. Steve here. So this is slightly different, isn't it? This is not a garden room or a kitchen. So this is actually an exterior decorating job for a lovely old lady who makes the nicest cups of tea. So I just had a cup of tea. It's very tasty. But what we've got here is the old masonry paint is just like, it's beyond it now. It's just tired, it's flaking, it's not in particularly good nick. Fascia soffits at the top window reveals as well. The gas box, that's looking really nice, so that's going to come up a treat. Front door in navy blue, nice little surround in here, little threshold. But how do you make all this stuff nice when it's that flaky and crap? The first job is to scrape it back as much as you can, a bit like here. Here's what I prepared slightly earlier. So you can just see, kind of just taking this back, and all I'm using for that is a hard scraper and a wallpaper stripper. Never underestimate a wallpaper stripper. Very handy tool that, because it's nice and sharp and pointy. It really helps to get underneath and lift, because what you want to do is make sure that you kind of get all the loose stuff off, and don't just go in one direction, right? The trick is you kind of go in that direction and you kind of go that way, so you're trying to get under and around the lips, because you just want to make sure you kind of get all this stuff. Yeah, some of this will come off, some of it won't. Some of it will basically stay like this, a bit cracked up, but you know, you work with what you got, and that's all there is to it. What I'm also going to do is going to grab my little electric sander, so I'll reduce as much, remove as much big crap as I can, and I'll grab some 40 grit paper, run that over the joints as well, because then once you've kind of done this, you've got a very slight lip just there, so the 40 grit will help just to take that back and smooth it back into it. Run that all the way across it, so all these bits where it's a bit like crappy here, it'll make all that good as well, which is lovely. So what we'll do is run around with the hand tools first, just get off as much off as I possibly can, and then I'll get the electric sander, and it'll be a bit later in the day as well, because it's about 8:30 in the morning. I kind of get to 9 o'clock before I try to make noise, and then I'll start sanding it. So that is the plan of action. I'll get on, get this prepped up, and see how far I can get. Right, so there you go. You can now see beautifully sanded back using the orbital sander, P40 grit grade, and that is now come up beautifully. Now all this stuff is sound as a pound, that is not going anywhere. It's had that going over it, I've given it a good old scrape. You can now see we're kind of back to ready to get painted. This looks a bloody lot grand size better. This is rough as a-hole as well. But I mean, it looks better now even before I painted it. So all prepped, all ready to go. So that's the fascia soffits all done at the top. So the colours of this is going to be white masonry. The front door's going in navy, I can't remember if I said. The gutters though are going to go in black, because I think that's just going to pop a bit more, because they've never been painted, so they're just in grey, which is, well, dull. So by the time we get that in beautiful white, that in black, it's going to be beautiful. I'm deliberating, do I do the gas box in black? Possibly. I'm also doing the railings as well, so I've got the back side here, these little ones here, and the neighbour's ones as well, because she said she wants to pay for that as well. So happy days. So right, that is the prep work kind of done, and that's been done for today, just before it rains, I think, which is very nice. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Any questions about this job, because it's a bit different, ping them down below and I'll get them answered. Apart from that, have a nice one. I'll see you tomorrow.